This little shop has no staff at all. The prices are handwritten in marker on cardboard. And the money box? Sometimes that's just cardboard too. Not unlocked, unlockable.
Wait, and nobody takes the money?
Mostly no. In much of the world, this is almost unthinkable. A bag of vegetables, about 100 yen. Cheaper than any supermarket. This isn't business, it's goodwill with a price tag.
Why does Japan feel so safe?
Everyone points to the systems first, police boxes on the corner, lost and found counters in every station. They matter, but they're only half of it. The other half is smaller. You're standing at that stall, coin in hand. No one is watching. Nothing stops you from walking away. In that moment, there's a tiny choice, to doubt or to trust.
But what if someone cheats?
Then they do. And still, trusting and being fooled once in a while feels better than living suspicious. And here's the quiet part, because people keep paying, the sellers keep adding more. Vegetables, handmade baked goods, small things like that. Trust, answered, keeps growing. And it isn't naive. In Tokyo alone, about $30 million in lost cash gets handed in over a year. More than half finds its way back to its owner.
Is it because Japanese people are just good?
Honestly, I don't trust that explanation. This is not about ethnicity. It is about design, built up over time, so that goodwill keeps running. And what keeps the design alive is each small choice, one coin, dropped by one person who chose to trust. There is an old phrase here, that the sun is always watching. Less surveillance, more conscience.
But it's not perfect, right?
No. A safe reputation can also hide harm that never gets reported. Overtrust is its own risk. So maybe that's the answer. The design makes trusting easy, and every answered trust makes the next one a little easier.
So the quiet I've been feeling is that loop. Small acts of goodwill answering each other for a long time.
If you come to Japan, you can feel it in 1 second. Your first coin, dropped into a box no one is guarding. This is Naza Japan, the quiet logic of everyday Japan.